What up besties? So I got another video for you guys. As you can see, we're setting up our new aquarium, so I have some stuff to show you guys, so let's get going. So this is the filter, guys, that I bought from Amazon like a couple weeks ago. This is the filter. We've already put it together, so I'm just gonna fix those, and also these LED strips. So I just put it around the rim. I know that's gonna look awesome later in the night. So we're basically just getting everything set up so that everything's in motion. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and attach the filter to the back of the tank. You know, I'll get other stuff prepared. So I'm in a smaller like tank, so we're pretty much getting it set up right now. So that's what we're doing. Alright guys, so it's almost there. I'm just gonna put a little bit more towel here or so, because we don't want it to be like overflowing. So that's what we're gonna be doing, and then we're gonna start up the filter and get it going, and then we add back the fishes. Alright guys, so when you're setting up this filter, you have to constantly use water to ensure that you run it with that. So we're just going to plug it up and run the water through it so it gets going. guys, so the filter up and running. We're gonna add the fish them now. See the filter acting up. So that's one fish, steamed fish, red fish, if you ever watch, read Dr. Seuss, you know that. One fish, two fish, one fish, two fish. So this is just splashed down. There are the fishes. So they having a fun. So of course I will drop some footage of when the LED light is on later on, guys. But it looks pretty good right now, right?